I'm here in Chontalpa, Mexico. Small little town where I've been a couple times. In fact, the last time I was here, I was with Chris Ending in a missions conference. Give you a little bit of a feel for how things are. It's not quite 100 degrees and basically 100% humidity, really hot, normal, not very high above sea level. Here down in the area of Tabasco. This is the church where we had services yesterday. Friday night, one preaching, 3 sessions Saturday in a conference on Aquila and Priscilla, and then Saturday night in the youth group, and then 2 services this morning here, and then I'll have a 3rd service tonight in a town about an hour or so from here. So it's like 8 preaching times in 2 days, and Friday night we're between services and they're having this corn drink. So here's the drink that's made out of corn. Very, very good. You can see the corn down in there, and you kind of drink it and you chew the bottom half. It's awesome stuff called pozole. Alright, it's Monday night. I just got home from my weekend in Tabasco. Had some flight delays, but I got about 5 hours of sleep and kind of feel a little bit lost. Tonight is our last class of the master's program, so no doubt everybody is happy. Here's the web page we use for the MA program. We're down to the last section. This is the book we're using as our textbook, a study of the Pentateuch. And then they have articles, they have different forums they can participate in online. And I've got another kind of friend student who did a study on Judah and Tamar. So I said, hey, you want feedback? We'll put your study up on the MA page and let all the people give their feedback. We also have a bunch of videos that they can watch, and they're just trying to accumulate 1,000 points by the end of the class. Today they're turning in their sermons. Each sermon is 150 points, so that's 2 sermons, 300 of their points. So this week is finals week. Back here at Monterey. Tomorrow I go to the border and record a class for another ministry, and then we'll be back here Thursday and Friday, hopefully, Friday at least, for graduation, and Saturday some of our teammates go to Panama again, different team heading back to Panama. All right, this is Colonial Baptist Church here at the border, and they have a vision to provide teaching resources just like we do at UCLA and Orimundo. So they have this Instituto Bíblico Bautista Internacional, and it's actually some of the same classes I teach for Orimundo, but I'm going to be giving right now lesson number 10 on eschatology, the Bema, and then continuing on, hopefully maybe even today, finishing up. But we hope to be able to help this church in some of their vision to reach other people that we wouldn't reach, but providing video class content for them in their Bible Institute. So Wendy's checking Ellie's flight. ¿Cuándo vas a Perú? ¿Cuándo? ¿Sábado? Saturday she goes back home to Peru. Here are the rest of, well, not all of them, but some of our Peruvian friends and others visiting here. Okay, here are 3 classes that we're going to send down to Costa Rica. Mark and Lynette Heineck, missionaries down there, going to receive our team from Panama, and we're going to kind of start a Bible Institute in Costa Rica with Mark and Lynette. See how it goes. Send them 3 classes to get them started. It's 3:40 something here in the morning. Going to the girls' dorm. The team is going down to Panama, so their flight is out at 6 a.m. It's going to load up here and take them off to the airport. Bien, Noel. This guy got the highest grade for the graduating class. Jimna, Michelle, Marintia.